Hello friends, today's video is about Mangalorean special fried snack goli bhaji or Mangalore bhaji. These are the list of ingredients given in the description as well. So let's get started. I have taken 2 cups of maida, adding chopped coriander, chili, curry leaves and ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Later you can check and add if you want more. Mix it very well. And I'm adding the curd now. Mix it well with some water. Don't add much water. The mixture should be thick. Mix it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Add 1 spoon sugar. Mix it well and keep aside for minimum 30 minutes. You can keep up to 2 hours. Add half spoon of baking soda. Mix it well and switch on your stove. Heat the oil very well. You can add some more oil as well. And drop the mixture like this. Fry it on medium flame. Flip it and fry it until golden brown. This is a perfect evening snack. It goes very well with the sambar, chutney or tea. You can find this dish in every Mangalorean hotels. Here how it looks like. Mangalorean special fried snack goli bhaji, Mangalore bhaji. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how it was. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe my channel, please share with your friends, family members. Stay safe. This is the final result of our goli bhaji. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.